I'm Sun.
And we're KJS! Oh my god, so today is the day.
We're back again with an MV reaction.
Back at it again.
Oh my
Damn
god.
KJS.
Oh.
Okay. Oh my god, okay, so today's the day. Red Velvet came back. The song's called One of These Nights and we're going to be doing a reaction video. It came out 3 days ago and today was the only day we can do a reaction video to hit it. And I've been dying so bad because like
we have been.
I've been wanting to watch it.
God.
Finally the day has come and I'm super excited. Oh my god, their teaser videos, their teaser pictures.
Oh yeah!
Oh my
god.
Looks so good. Oh my god, Wendy and her red hair. Oof.
Okay, hon.
Oh my god, they look so great. Okay, I love Red Velvet.
Okay, ready?
Okay, so here's our reaction.
3,
Stop.
2, 1.
Oh, they look so gorgeous. Wendy. Irene. This time it's the velvet concept.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah. Soothing. Oh, Solji's voice.
They're so pretty.
They look like princesses from Disney.
Whoa.
I heard that's the theme now. They're doing
The
Disney
Disney?
theme, yeah. Slay.
Dude, her hair!
I know! She looks so good with short hair. So pretty. Kyoki. That was our dog.
Oh my god.
They're so pretty. Joy! This music video is so beautiful. Aesthetic. Body rolls. I can feel the body rolls coming out of me right now.
Do it! Do it!
Emotions.
Gosh, her vocal. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that fall. Get it, Wendy. Yes. Goodbye.
I love you. Oh my gosh.
Red Velvet.
Velvet, the Velvet. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god,
That's
yes.
their album. Oh.
I've been
wow.
waiting for a song like Automatic.
Yeah,
That's
I like that song.
That was the best song, and this is a
is.
great song too.
Man.
I wonder if
I
they have
like it.
choreography for this.
Yeah.
Probably not. It's just them singing.
Because yeah, it's very
Well,
chill.
yes, that's very opposite, well, contrasting
Yeah.
compared to Dum Dum and Ice Cream Cake. So they're trying out new concepts, and it's showing new sides of them, that they can do more than just one. And I love that about them, because they can pull off just one, and
That's
you know,
true.
they're not just the same old boring concepts all the time. And I just love Red Velvet. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Yeah.
So, such a good song.
It really is.
We love Wendy's voice.
Yeah.
and
Oh
Soji's
my
voice.
gosh, her
Joy's
vocal.
Joy's voice.
Dude,
Oh my
their
God.
hair.
Right, their new hair.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I swear.
Such a good song. Thank you, SM, for focusing on Red Velvet and giving them a great song. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye! BB.